Everyone, this is D7 from T13 Airsoft. This is part 2 of the Southfield gameplay day I had out there early first week of January. These first 2 rounds is 2 games domination. First round, red team stays in the town, and then we move out to the woods. You're watching the version without commentary, so after this point, I'm going to be quiet. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
All right, guys. Behind A, please. Hey, what about rooftop? Go edit through and affect how like the light affects it. And there's some pretty cool settings you can do.
Let's game on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My bad. Friendly, thank you. Goodness, guys. Back in. Hit.
We're getting hospital at the door. The line of sight right into the woods, right where we were running up.
Okay.
Oh, got me right in the finger.
Yep.
There's a kid that just trying to take satellite. Do you get him?
No.
He just cleared like 3 of us out of there.
Wanna go in?
Watch back a second, like you cleared out most of them. There'll be only 1 or 2 more.
Cutting wide. Ready? Good.
Oh, there's another guy doing that. Fucker. Are you okay? Yeah, right in the meat. Oh, I'm sorry. Yo, you shot me at first. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Why were y'all pointing in here then?
Because we're totally good.
There was a little kid that came up in here.
Alright.
Hey, only 1 or 2 more. Let's go.
He's out.
Hey, I'm right on the right.
Ready?
I got change.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Flag split, flag split. Get in here, right, shield. Watch this corner. Can you go over that side? I got the left, all right? Yep. You're right. Red team, push up! He's out. Out.
Good shit. Hey, you gonna get the fucking openings? I'm gonna move up to this door.
What do you need me to do?
No. Who's behind this? Red, red.
Hey, Red, get inside. One of you get inside. Watch this corner.
I'll just move up to that corner.
Yeah, right. If you want to move up, we got this side. Oh, someone's shooting at us. Looks like my 12 or 1 o'clock. Can't tell distance.
All right. All right.
And red. Imagine it as a big black square. You can't see through it.
All right. Hey, we got one coming in. We got one coming in.
Distance.
Oh, we got two. We got three.
Hey, there's one under this tree
We
branch.
got three coming in.
Hey, one's out, one's out.
Get him.
There's still one. Still one down there on your
Hey, we got one in the fucking opening over here.
our left. Cutting. Ready? Hey, there's 3 at these tires.
Hey, we got 2 over here at the fucking tires.
Yep.
We got one at the tree also.
You good?
Hey, there's one at the tire now. Hey, you got him. Hey, there's one on the right tree over here.
I think I shot in the butt. I'll be right back. Yep, I'll be right back, guys. Good man, good man. Respawn. Move it up. Pardon me, did I get cut through? Moving. We're good.
Good. Fucking
Yep. We can hold them here. Want to switch?
Straight up and down, it'll shoot accurate. Not trying to get your shot, but I just want to help you out a little bit. Good. There's some people over here.
Good.
Hey, nice push, bud. Yeah, I like it.
Hit, good shot. Stay there walking. Respawn. Moving. Hit, good shot. Stay there walking. Respawn.
It's tricky, Chad.
Thank you, Dad. Dad. Thank you.
Huh?
Dad.
What's that? Maybe. Red. Well, I'm dead. Good job. There, you're good, you're good. Hit. Good shot. Whew. All right. Respawn.
Come on, let's do it.
You want me to go center again?
Huh?
You want me to go center again?
I'm gonna go right.
Okay, I'm gonna go center. Where you going?
Probably left
Okay.
to start off. We'll play it off there. See how it goes.
22 seconds.
Hey, red team. You weren't here last round. We pushed yellow pretty far back. Back here. The issues they were having is they couldn't get on the flanks and they didn't rush in the beginning. If we can take the front objective and that middle one at Walmart and just take the whole wood line, we can pretty much win this. I'm going to lead a team to go in the middle. If someone can get on that second story up there, you're going to go left. Who's going right?
I'm gonna push right and try to cover that long.
Okay. So those are your little squads. Get behind the building. All right, let's middle, let's go. Hit. Hit, good shot. Good shot.
Back over the spawn on the face.
Moving. Hit, good shot. Hey, they're at Walmart. Watch it. Come on, guys, push up. I think it's fine. What do you see?
Okay, it's on you, sir.
All right. What do you see at satellite? Fuck it. You alive?
Yeah.
All right.
Taking a breather for a second. It's like 4 sprints.
Hey, right, shit. Where you see this guy?
What? He's right and shooting me from, I don't know where. Trenches.
Trenches?
Yeah. Hey, guys! That's my asshole! Who wants to push with me? Well, we're here waiting for you. Hey!
Oh, shit.
Hey, someone wants to push.
Now we got 3 or 4 guys in Walmart now.
I'll be back, Case.
Yeah, well, I'm about to die too. Let's roll. Hit, good shot. Hey, you up there, can you hit, at least aim at that left trench over here?
It's dead.
Well, I'll be up there shooting then.
Alright. Chill here.
Alright. Hey, flag's ours, push up.
Case on your ass.
Hey, this her contact left.
Yep.
It's like a sniper.
Keep pushing! Keep pushing!
It's actually pretty It's a pretty good spot to fight back to.
Shit.
Where's
My last mag case.
taking force?
Yep. I'll run it up this left side.
All the mags on the ground are good to go.
All of my shit. I got those. Left side!
Come on, guys in the middle. 2 in the middle. Hey, dead man, dead man, dead man.
Do you want to push to Walmart?
I'm good here, man. I got a good dead angle.
Alright.
If you want to go to Walmart, go for it. I'll cover you. Take any of my mags?
What?
Take any of my mags?
I'll snag one if you don't mind.
Yeah, go for it. Tell me when you're ready.
Shit. Alright, I'm a little too right and then go.
Damn it. Hey, flag's yellow again. Not sure how.
Keep pushing!
Oh, shit. Hit, good shot. It's a game. Okay, mags out. Hell of a fight.